Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to increase the view size on your Outlook application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the application on your desktop PC. Of course, if you don't have it already, all you need to do, just go and open any browser you are currently using in your PC. Once you did that, just go to the URL section and type download Outlook, hit the enter button and go to the first link and start downloading it. Of course, this step will be very easy to do because it will be like any other application download. You must have been already like downloaded something in your PC before. So make sure to do the same steps of downloading any application on your PC. Once it's downloaded, all you need to do, just go and install it and open it up. Once you did that, they will actually ask you to log in into your account. Of course, if you don't have an account, you will need to go and create one from their website, or you can just go and create it from there if you have the option to. And once you did that, you will need to log in into your account to find yourself with the home screen or the main screen, which is this. Of course, you will find here a lot of emails, maybe if you already have an account, or if you just created one, you'll find one email. It's going to be the welcome email from Microsoft. So once you did that, as I said in the beginning of the video, you would like to increase the view size on the Outlook application. So of course, if you want to do that, all you need to do, just go here to the view option at the top and go to the view settings here. Once you are here, just go and choose the other settings. And now you'd like to choose this font option. Once you are here, you can like start increasing the font however you want. Of course, you'll be able even to change the font style or just the font however you want, as I said again. So choose whatever you want and hit the OK button. OK, and as you can see, everything will be changed to the font that you choose. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.